Well, hi folks, welcome to Kitchen Tips Online. On this video, I'm going to show you the absolute easiest way to clean sheet pans. Some people call them baking sheets or cookie sheets, but I'm going to show you the absolute easiest way to clean them, and you'll be very surprised. Now, a while back, I published a video on how to clean sheet pans, and it has over 5 million views and 6,000 comments. So I started going through the comments, and I came across a ton of people that recommended an alternative way. Well, it works like a champ, and I'm going to share it with you coming up. It turns out that the easiest way to clean a baking tray is actually a two-step process. Don't skip step 2, or you won't be satisfied with the results. Now let's have a look at this sheet pan that I'm going to clean today. Notice it's smaller than what you would normally see, and that's because it's a 1/4 sheet pan. I use it in a commercial convection oven that I've had for about 25 years. Well, believe it or not, folks, the easiest way to clean a sheet pan or baking tray, whatever you call it, is to put it in the oven on self-clean. We'll put it in the center rack upside down, and we'll set the oven to self-clean. Mine defaults to 4 hours. Now that the cleaning process is complete and the oven is cooled down, let's have a look at the sheet pan to see how well the cleaning cycle did. And it looks amazing, as you can see, saving me a ton of elbow grease. And by the way, that white stuff in the bottom of the oven is ash left over from the cleaning process. Now let's look at the pan up close right out of the cleaning process. And you may not be able to tell on screen, but the pan is very rough to the touch. And that's why we need one more additional step to finish the process. When the pan comes out of the oven cleaning process, it's very rough, so it needs to be polished up a bit. This will prevent food from sticking to it and making it easy to slide in the oven when you go to put it back in the oven with food on it. Well, there you go, folks. Now you know the easiest way to clean sheet pans is using your self-cleaning oven. If you like this video, consider giving it a thumbs up and sharing it with a friend. Thanks for watching.